Okay, so what we're looking at today is I wanted to find out a little bit more about the hull deck joint on the Pearson Triton. This is a 1967 Pearson Triton. And so what I thought I'd do is just take off a little bit of this trim piece. I guess it's a rub rail. Yeah, it's a tiny little thin rub rail. Of course, this is the original stock wooden tow rail, which I assume is mahogany or teak. Pretty sure it's mahogany from the internal color of it. And again, the idea was to find out the nature of this joint and figure out how it works. And so it looks to me, I'll get in here pretty close. It looks to me like, so we've got the actual vertical section of the hull, and looks to me like it goes up to this layer right here, and this top section, which goes from the top of my finger to the bottom of my finger, that's the actual thickness of the deck at this point. Further up, the side deck is cord, but right here looks like solid fiberglass. And I'm guessing that this little section right here is a layer of epoxy or glass or polyester. I guess it was probably polyester, given that this boat is 49 years old. And that's what's actually the glue that holds together the two pieces. Now I still don't know whether this deck here, this hull section here, turns at a 90-degree angle and creates a flange, or whether they're just trying to, or whether there's something that comes in behind and this is glued to something, a backer plate or backer panel behind it. So I still got a little bit to learn, but at least I've got a general idea that the actual deck itself, the deck material itself, travels all the way to the far edge and overlaps all the way out to where the top sides come. So I have learned that much. Also, just let me go up top here. This is the tow rail. The tow rail is screwed about every 8 inches or so with some pretty heavy, aggressive screws. And if I go below decks, I will see these screws come through 3/4 of an inch to an inch through the deck and sticks out through the bottom. Now, I don't know how much of a sandwich of materials there is there. That's why I was really coming here on the outside to just sort of take a peek. So my understanding at this point is that the deck comes all the way to the edge of the top sides. The tow rail is the primary attachment mechanism, mechanical attachment from the to hold the sandwich together. It's screwed all the way down through. I still don't understand. I still don't know whether this top side has a flange that goes over or whether it's sandwiched up against some sort of backer panel. When I figure that out, I will share. Thanks.